Hello class 11. Today in the series of chapter set we are going to solve exercise 1.3. So in exercise 1.3 our first question is make correct statement by filling in the symbols belong subset or not a subset in the blank space. So the first one is the curly braces 2, 3, 4 blank space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the elements of this set 2, 3, 4 are in this set, which is 2, 3, and 4. So we can say that it is a subset. Now the next one is the first set is A, B, C, and the second one is B, C, D. So in this set, which contain elements A, B, C, these elements are not present in this set, or we can say that all the elements of our first set is not present in the second set. So we can say that it is not a subset. Now the next one is X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school. Blank X such that X is student of your school. तो ये जो हमारे पास सेट गिवन है ये बोल रहा है कि जो स्टूडेंट है वो क्लास 11 में पढ़ता है, और ये जो हमारे पास सेट दिया है इसमें बोल रहा है कि जो स्टूडेंट है वो हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ता है. तो ऑब्वियसली बात है, इफ अगर वो हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है तो वो हमारी क्लास 11 में भी पढ़ रहा होगा, तो कह सकते हैं कि हमारा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज X such that X is a circle in the plane. Okay. And this is X such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. So we can say that it is not a subset because it is the set with the radius 1 unit. Okay. Now in the next part there is another set given X such that X is a triangle in a plane. And the second one is X such that X is a rectangle in the plane. So both are different figures. We can say that it is not a subset. Now the sixth one is X such that X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Blank X says that X is a triangle in the same plane. So this triangle can be this triangle may be equilateral triangle. So we can say that it is a subset of this. Now the next is X says that X is an even natural number. Blank X says that X is an integer. You know that every integers contain even natural number, like we have integers -3, 2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these integers contain even natural numbers too, like 2, 4, and so on. So it is a subset of this. Now in the question second, we have to examine whether the following statements are true or false. So the first one is A, B set is not a subset of B, C, A. So it is false because 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. So it is false because 2 belongs to this set, but 2 does not belongs to this set. So it is false. Now the fourth one is A is a subset of A, B, C. So yes, it is true. Each element of A, B is also the element of B, C, A. So it is false. Now the next is A, E is a subset of X is that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. So English alphabet में क्या vowel होंगे? A, E, I, O, and U. So yes, it is a subset of English alphabet. So true. Now the next is, now the sixth one is X says that X is an even natural number less than 6. Okay, which are 2, 4. And X is a natural number which divides 36. Divide 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So yes, it this natural number which divide 36 contains 2 and 4. So we can say that yes, it is true. So it is all subset of. Third question, we have set A which contains 1, comma 2 and another set 3, comma 4 and element 5. We have to find which of the following statements are incorrect and why. So the first one is 3, comma 4 is a subset of A, because 3 belongs to A but not a subset of A. A subset of A. So it is incorrect. Now the second part is 3, comma 4 belongs to A. So it is correct because 3, comma A belongs to A. Now the third one is 3, comma 4 set is a subset of A. So we can say that it is correct. Correct because हमारे पास 3, comma 4 है, वो belongs किससे कर रहा है पहले से. ओके एंड हमारे पास 3, comma 4 है, वो A से भी बिलोंग कर रहा है, तो हमारे पास ये जो स्टेटमेंट है वो क्या हो जाता है, करेक्ट हो जाता है. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज 1 बिलोंग्स टू A. It is correct because 1 is the element of A. Now in this question we have two right subsets. So the subset of A is 5 and now the next is subset of A comma B. So which is 5, A, B, A comma. Now for the third one we have the subsets 5 of 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma. Set of 5 is 5 only. Okay. Now we have to write the intervals for the following. 4 minus 4 less than x less than equals to. It is an open interval and it is an closed interval. You can write it as 4, comma 6 closed. Now the next is minus 12. It is an open interval and less than minus 10. It is also an open interval. You can write it as. Now the next is x says that x belongs to capital R. 0 is less than equals to x less than 7. It is an interval. It is an open interval. You can write it as 0. Now the next one is x says that x belongs to capital R, where 3 is less than equals to x less than equals to 4. You can write it as closed interval A comma. Now we have to write following intervals in the set builder form. So the first one is x says that x belongs to capital R minus 3 is less than x less than 0. Curly braces closed. Now the next is it is a closed interval. So we can write it as x says that x belongs to capital R. 6 is less than equals to x is less than equals to 12. Now third one is 6, 12. It is an open interval and it is closed. We can write it as x such that x belongs to capital R, where 6 is less than x less than 6. We have closed interval and open. So we can write it as x such that x belongs to capital R. This is closed. So this is the set builder form for the. Now in this question we have to propose universal set. So the first one is the set of right triangles. So for this, the universal set can be the set of triangles or the set of polygons. There are two possibilities. Now for the second one, the set of isosceles triangles. Universal set can be the set of triangles or set of polygons, the set of two-dimensional fields. Okay, so this is the universal set. In this question, we have given sets A, which is 1, 3, 5, B, which have 2, 4, 6, C, which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 2. So which of the following may be considered as universal set or sets for all the three sets A, B, C? See, in this set, we have all the elements of A, which is 1, 3, 5. In this, we have all the elements of B, which is 2, 4, 6. But we do not have all the elements of C here. So we can say that it cannot be a universal set. Not be a universal set for ABC. Now 5. So we can say that A is not a subset of 5. Similarly, B is not a subset of 5. C is also not a subset of 5. So it cannot be a universal set for ABC. So answer is no. Cannot be a universal set for ABC. Now the third one contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it contains all the elements of set A, all the elements of set B, and also all the elements of set C, which is 0, 2, 6. Have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So we can say that yes, this is the set which we can consider as universal set for all the three set A, B, C. That is yes. Now the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it contains all the elements of set A, all the elements of set B, but do not contain all the elements of set C. Is 0 is absent in this set. So it, but not all the elements of so universal. I hope this has helped you to understand the concept. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification for my latest video. Leave any question or comment below. I will do my best to answer them. What topic would you like to see in my future videos? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.